Identify and track the right stocks from the right sectors and take timely actions on your investments with just few clicks. This is InvesTiger, tracking the performance of your InvesTiger portfolio. Now that you have invested through the InvesTiger app, you may want to check how your portfolios are performing. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Click on Portfolio from the bottom menu or access it through the hamburger menu. Once you click on My Portfolio, you'll see two options, Summary and Holdings. Summary. This section shows the consolidated performance of all your portfolios. You can check the performance of each portfolio individually by selecting it. For example, if you click on Economic Recovery Picks, you will see the list of stocks in that portfolio. Additionally, this screen gives you the option to top up your portfolio or sell it whenever needed.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.